Signing documents with Foxit eSign is easy, fast, and secure. In this tutorial, you will learn how to get started e-signing your documents with Foxit eSign. Once logged into Foxit eSign, you see the main summary section, which displays the number of documents waiting for your signature, for signatures of others, drafts, and completed documents. Let's create a new document to eSign by uploading an agreement. There are several upload options. You can click on Upload File and choose a document from the file browser, or upload a document from Dropbox, Google Drive, Box, and OneDrive. Or you can choose my favorite method and drag and drop the file onto the application. Once uploaded, you can add more documents if you want. If you're good, click Next to get to the next step, Add Signers. We want to send the invitation in a sequential signing order, meaning a party will get the invitation right after the previous party has signed the contract. To enable this option, check the box next to Enforce Signing Sequence to Yes. In this example, we will be the first party to sign. You can also enable in-person signing. In-person signing can be used when a signer is either physically present or does not have an email address or access to technology for signing. Only the dedicated in-person signing administrator will need a Foxit eSign account. However, we won't check this option now. We can also set the authentication level. Let's select Email Two-Factor Authentication, meaning all parties will receive a two-factor authentication code via email. Now we will add the recipient's email addresses. If an email is already registered in the platform, it will appear as an option. By clicking over Add New, you can add a new email. You can also add a group for bulk sending or a placeholder party if you're not sure who's the exact signer. Now that we have added all the recipients' email addresses, let's set up their roles. Foxit eSign by default will set up all recipients to fill out fields and sign. However, there are other role options to choose from, such as Fill out fields only, CC View only, Party Assigner, or Edit and Sign. For this example, we want all the recipients to fill out fields and sign the contract. Next, click over Save and Next, which brings you to the Prepare Document step. Here we can add signature fields, data entry fields, and advanced fields to the document. Start by selecting the first recipient from the top left drop-down menu. Click on Signature field and then drag and drop it to where you want the first person to sign. Now let's add a text field asking for the signer's title. Then go to the text field properties on the right-hand side, check the value as mandatory, and type in title as a name. This way the recipient will know to include their job title. Lastly, we add a date signed field and check mandatory. Mandatory fields are outlined in red. Now repeat the same process for the other signer. As you can see, the fields of each recipient are represented with a different color. This is very helpful when you have multiple recipients to complete various tasks. If you want to attach more files, download the document as a PDF, or to perform other options, click over More Actions. I won't attach any additional files. Next, click Send to get to the email invitation editor. Click Editor View to adjust the email invitation subject and content. When you're ready, click Send. To initiate the sequential signing process, we need to be the first party to sign the document and fill out the required fields. By clicking Finish, the envelope gets sent to the other co-signers. In the right side panel, you find the envelope timeline with the status. After the signing process is completed, all parties will receive an email with the fully signed contract. Here's the copy of the agreement we received after all parties have signed it. On the second page, you find the signature certificate. Another way to check the document status is by going back to the Foxit eSign homepage and clicking on Completed Documents. As you can see, our agreement has been executed. And now it's your turn. Start e-signing your documents with Foxit eSign.